Mayamo achen mo akwa Adom TV Badwam dwumade eso ede nyame asema akra na onipedua se na tiasefo no so ka ho bie na stations ne doso na de atro Adom TV yeda se na yedi kan wo Badwam dwumade so ye kase na nsam ne doso ne yetodwa wo mu bi ya wo betini nurses and midwives se wo ma wie school so nya dwumanye wo allowance abosomi dudie so won sankan tie ne wachere bibi kakra de achira ban de won some no ebebro na fe yakọ National Association of Institutional Suppliers also Education Ministry no won ma won mo na fu adunan wonte won kantesa obehu bibi kakra fi won ho eno ne nsem bi na no pay me de bro sa Adom TV Badwam kase o share live on Facebook/Adom TV Extra Go TV channel 119 DSTV 280 ko YouTube search Adom TV 2 ubenya ye ni dwumadi enka ye medi de afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni DMT said nsem chiremu ankasa etie rotational nurses and midwives and afei unemployed graduate nurses and midwives association eno a wo chire bibi kakra de chira ban no wo ma wie school ne dada so nya adwumanye eno nkamfu allowance bi a o se de ma wo mo abusumi dunie won sankan nunti watwe mpanifo adwen asiso so wontie won sufre yamane boni salasi amudi akire etwaso
ya tenefie over 4 years almost 4 years aye wie school yenti obi anka se ne yenti ama ye posting ache eni ye bisa mpanimfo e se de ho dwuma ma ye ya Ministry of Health, Ministry of Finance ya kwa da bia ye kwa de mo ka che ense enche ye beto mo nka enso enche ne yenim da sa enche ne beba wiye enu nti na ama ende ya to ye ho agu monten so a ye demonstrate ama obi ate ye nka se nya de se ye cultural exams ne am pass ye nyina ya pass.
We have started our national service some July last year, and it's been 9 months to 10 months that we've been having our national service. And we, those under Ministry of Health, have worked for 9 months without our allowance. We have written to the Ministry of Health to tell Ministry of Health our concern, but it's unfortunate to tell you that Ministry of Health has not responded to our letter. We served letters of reminder. Ministry of Health has not responded to it. So members decided to embark on this demonstration to tell the government and then the public that we are suffering.
Our parliament, no deputy clerk of parliament, ejina speaker anamu eji petition no yeni be PM our Ministry of Finance be PM hano and some one mo edit to yenim ne say ayade a wo beji petition no na wo de ama wo minister.
We have received these 2 petitions on behalf of Right Honorable Speaker and the leadership, and they will be accordingly presented to the Speaker and the leadership.
We've had fruitful discussions with your leaders, and on behalf of the Minister and management, I would like to say that thank you so much for your patience. So we will forward your request to management, and whatever the outcome will be, we will let you know.
We are the demonstration here, Adom Adom Kasi, the Salasi, Amo.
National Association of Institutional Suppliers and so ama aseye hwanguma sua so no ndefo adunan se won ma wonte wonka sika no ne aka no wontua emfama won na ekuo no churchro ni eye Patrick Ansa eno ne Adom Kase edi nkomo kire se sika no womo ehunu letter no kire se womo de bi aba no na de aka no so hu hia pa e wo so won saka oni Adom TV Kase etwaso
2022 academic year 2022 to 2023 academic year.
And what has government told you since you started,
yeah, we had engagement
for your monies?
Yeah, we had an engagement with him, and there was a memorandum of understanding that the 2 parties were supposed to sign. We signed our part, and the ministry failed to sign its part, and that has led to our picketing over here.
How long do you intend picketing here?
Oh, as long as as long as they fail to pay us.
Till eternity.
So if government doesn't pay you over 130 million,
till eternity, my boss.
We are not living here. We came here prepared. We are not living
eternity.
Here.
Assistant Secretary Emma National Suppliers Patrick Ansa ene Adom News in Central for etwetwe nkomo no what did to just say
church clothes.
And government has, and how long has government been owing you this money?
It's almost 2 years now.
Who else? Yeah. So how much is government owing you?
Almost 800,000 Ghana.
800,000 Ghana cedis.
Telling you.
Well, what do you supply under the free?
Supply uniform, outing dress for about 15 to 20 schools.
Which part of the country do you supply?
Mostly in the western region. Western region. Yes.
In Western North.
In Western North.
How long have the government been owing you, and then how far are you willing to go to get this money?
Yeah, that's why we are here picketing. We are not living here till our monies are paid. Yeah.
Thank you.
Eba Security Authority mpenifo de kokobo magana fo nyina se afi abato afi wo man Ghana mu nti no ntro ne samu anokure ni mu de yebehunu dodo no a wo internet no so na numu no Cyber Security Authority Director General Dr. Albert Ntwi Bosieko ne adehye ehia nsantrefo no mu ni ade na fo miensa ya yetufo kasa de efa yebambo mu ene nsem bia entene nsem fata ekoduru bre bia ti se yetumi ekokokoso a West African Sub-Region nyina na eka ho bia won hia won kran Adom TV kwase etwaso
share digital space here because at the boy phone ebe use internet at the bone na ne Cyber Authority ye hu say a basic pie or base internet they send fake information. But the danger is say you share the way. Now we send my now just start to say send them mobile and also I'm running a day why you police for a bit show to me pamucho. And no nice say you catch Ghana for na yen as you use digital platforms, we should be very careful what we consume there. But the authority is available 292 to provide the necessary guidance.
Ochire say senya hyehyɛ ye pa bi aso ye ne digu akwamu a nka ne mabone bi a ekoso wa ba for 10 times wo no ebetimi aha adwene pa.
I say collaborating more. So to say ye hu say obi use IP addresses are free to go but na yetimi aye den afre to go reps no. Na o metimi aboa na ya den yaswa no ansa na issue no escalate. So that is the main reason to win to foster collaboration and understand and answer the threat I face here because technology environment near my day as a son.
NDC amanyoko Franka tuni ye kanema mpani John Dramani Mahama osimfie nwotwini watena se asusu adwene ehunu niema ahodo nyina na owo abamu de oye ne yankoyie ne sa no nti se Ghana for de tumi ne sa ma no wafia bato mu a niema besesa kura Adom TV kase etwaso.
But on reflection, I've been out of office for 8 years. It gives me the opportunity to look back and look at some of the things that we could have done better. And not everybody gets that opportunity. That you become president, you go out of office, and you get the opportunity to come back again. And so I know that in the 4 years coming, I will be a much better president than even the first time when I was president.
And wachi ochirechire ne mabia Ghana for nhwe kwan se NDC amanyoko ne beye wabra watena aban adwane so.
And so as president, we did some things well. We did a lot of infrastructure. We provided health facilities in many districts and regions. We provided educational facilities. In the 8 years when Prof and myself were in government, we removed more than 3,000 schools under trees. We built more than 4,000 CHIPS compounds. We built roads and highways. We provided water to people. I had the privilege of commissioning the Bunkurugu water system. We extended electricity to as many communities as possible.
TV Badwam Kasiana Uguso Eshano na minority leader so akasachre se ne tie bia no MPP omu forget it na abra se bukwa mankesi seat ne de NDC befa.
And wechi ena Ura Felix Ofosukwachi editu just mfie nwotwe wodi AK ama NPP amanyukuo no mpuntunuma no wo hwe kwan afri Ghana mampanyi na nadan kwakufu ado ene na aban ho no amamusa ahwamodi aba senti mo manfo ntoma wo mu biem ofasa akwanya no sonso epa chips compound wasi ama manfo wo abokuma no ye wo mori
Ipia Manyokono so parliamentary candidate war Tano North abato mpesua so wa Mantemu ono anso ye kasama former mampani abede akire Dr. Gideon Boako ono so de nhihye ahudu oguna kwan so de aboa na de hye war Tano North sebe ya won so ebetimi akwa animu wo mpuntuo mu na fe Newmont afumais nso won mwanya chefa wo mu asami asare etwase
Newmont adwuma kese omonest gold mine half enough hana omo Tano North hana mo so wan hwe yi a ye betratra ho sa na Newmont to go do ha at adwuma no titro pair wo ye engineering work ne technical work na abonteso for na babaye na ye nkrofo no ye labor adwuma eno nti afue ma fato no so se mebo modern many universities no kasa na ya boa ye mrante ne maba no peso mokosua engineering wo universities no ye timanya ni pa 50 Adom beko UMAT KNUST ni UNE no makosua mining geodetic geological surveys ne nkone ba se ne be ya Newmont adwuma na ho Tano North formrante bitimanya adwuma ne titu engineering part ni biaye na kwankwa ye se labor ne watch mine ne nkone bankwa enu ntu na metu sa na mo no
enwechi woto aso se ahye enkomodie na sedada ye omanfo wani gi so be ye adwuma ho no wahye ho krata asem ase ode wo mo ebekọ suapo wanwodo amu akwa kosua adwuma be ye no ho ade
sia ye applications ye show result slip ni ye shona bitima engineering ni ye no no wabusuafo akasa se ye manko ye bia engineering na also gitum so be ye pese ye be hye obia pese obia timinya ntia sese ampa opese o ye saade no na ya boa na ya so masene no matima ko ye sa engineer se be ya ochina Newmont kase omope Tano North former omowo nimdie wo sa engineer no ho a na akwa ye sa akonya no ho batie ni obia anu ntina me pese metu sa na mo
Tiano Emratema na Tama Metro planning officer and so ena ekasai afra se humie nipa hume watamane ne mpotamo no nenye nti enam so bi ama apa respiratory diseases be dudie won mo enya watama ene ne mpotamo one Adom TV kase atwaso
pollution it comes from the industries around and then domestic burning of rubbish in the houses and so on. And once nia met media actually say enya effect wo nipa wo ha no so say once every quarter a report annual report and we hear your report every the health directorate we hear top 10 diseases now our report no linear upper respiratory diseases that just say is as a result of air pollution. And when I just say air pollution, cause
Coordinator Emma People's Dialogue Hamza Bawa Mahama any Adom News in Central for a chicken common what did you just say?
We are looking for data on the type of air quality within air quality air Mantemha. enti saa data na ye hia no ye ne clean air fan na eye sai dwuma no any assembly no na data no nenti a ye hia data ne se ye the data no be kwa kwachira assembly for se ye be nhwehwemu no asem se ni sesi na apie free mu enti se mo take action na mo take action.
Enu so na Adom TV Badwam kase na ha na be ma kwan na no pay ye de asie aseda ye ode awrade mfa nkomra somdwem nemum obekwaso anso ene ya adwuma hwe live on Facebook/Adom TV extra baby awo kono say Go TV a channel no ye 119 and DSTV 280 or YouTube so ya search Adom TV tube ho na fe ene ento aso me ntwe ahusima keto ye nchakra wasinsian so ye krado na fe de bon krata ne nsema hodo bi mfa nto aso edase